Hello everyone, today we are going to start chapter 2 that is the cherry tree. This story is written by very famous author Ruskin Bond. Okay, in this story there is a boy who planted a cherry tree. Let's just read the story to find out what happened to the boy and the tree. Rakesh lives with his grandfather in a little cottage in the Himalaya foothills. His parents live in a small village 50 miles away, but there are no schools there. So Rakesh came to live in Mussoorie with his grandfather. Here the soil is stony and the cold dry winds do not allow the plants to grow very tall. Here, foothills means low hills at the bottom of a longer mountain or range of mountains. Okay, मतलब mountain range के नीचे bottom sides होती है वो foothills होती है. So Rakesh and his grandfather live at Himalayas foothills in Mussoorie. Okay, the city name is Mussoorie. In a cottage, in a little cottage, एक छोटे से cottage में रहते हैं वो. And away from his parents because there are no schools in their village and the soil of Mussoorie is full of stones. There are so many stones in the soil and it is very cold. ये जो soil है because of it is a mountain area, so काफ़ी cold थी. And there are less tall trees because of dry winds. Okay, so there are there's no so many tall trees. वहाँ पे ज़्यादा tall trees भी नहीं थे because of the dry winds. One day when Rakesh was 7, he walked home from the Mussoorie bazaar eating cherries. They were a little sweet, a little sour, small, bright red cherries which had come all the way from the Kashmir valley. By the time he reached home, only 3 cherries were left. "Have a cherry, Dada," he said as soon as he saw his grandfather in the garden. Okay, so the story starts when Rakesh was 7. He is 7 years old and he was one day just going home from Mussoorie Bazaar. Mussoorie Bazaar से घर जा रहा था eating cherries. He bought cherries from the market, so लेते हुए खाते हुए वो घर जा रहा था. And the cherries looks like a small bright red cherries they are and it is like little sweet and sour. मतलब थोड़ा खट्टा मीठी थी वो. And the cherries are come from the Kashmir Valley. Kashmir Valley से आए हुए थे. When he reached home, only 3 cherries are left. सिर्फ 3 cherries बची थी. And when he asked his grandfather, that you should also have a cherry. उसने अपने grandfather को भी cherry के लिए पूछा. When he saw him in the garden, जब वो garden में कुछ काम कर रहे थे. Grandfather took one cherry and Rakesh promptly ate the other 2. He kept the last seed in his mouth for a long time, rolling it around until the tang had gone. Then he placed the seed on the palm of his hand. "Are cherry seeds lucky?" he asked. "Of course," said grandfather, "but nothing is lucky if you put it away. If you want luck, you must put it to some use." "What can I do with the seed?" "Plant it." So Rakesh found a small space and began to dig up a flower bed. Here, tang means a strong, sharp taste or smell. So then grandfather took one cherry, उन्होंने एक cherry ले ली and then Rakesh ate the other 2 cherries and he just kept that the last cherry का seed था, he just kept that for longer time in his mouth so that he can just taste it to the fullest. Okay, so he just tasted it and until the taste of cherry didn't go from the seed. Okay, तो जब तक seed पे से उसका taste नहीं है तब तक वो उसके अंदर ही roll करता रहा. Then he placed the seed in his hands. उसने seed जो अपने हाथ में रखा and then he asked his grandfather that के the cherry seeds are lucky, क्या ये seeds जो lucky होते हैं? Then grandfather is like कि हाँ of course ये होते हैं but there is nothing lucky if you don't do anything with it. अगर आप कुछ करोगे नहीं तो कुछ भी आपके लिए lucky नहीं होगा. Then he asked his grandfather, "What shall I do with this seed?" So grandfather suggested him to plant it, कि उसे plant कर दो. Then Rakesh just see around and found a small space and dug it to plant a seed. "Hey, not there," said grandfather. "I've shown mustard in that flower bed. Plant it in that shady corner where it won't be disturbed." Rakesh went to the corner of the garden. He pressed the seed into the soil with the thumb and it went right in. Then he had his lunch and ran off to play cricket with his friends. He forgot all about the cherry seed. Okay, So after that, when he was just digging the hole. Grandfather stopped him that not there, वहाँ पे नहीं, because he has already planted a mustard flower there. Okay, वो mustard flower already show कर चुके थे. He told the boy Rakesh that you should plant the tree at that shady corner. जो यहाँ पे shady corner है वहाँ पे जाके plant करना चाहिए, because no one will disturb that plant there. Okay, so Rakesh went to the that corner and planted the seed there. Okay, he just pressed it with the thumb. उसने thumb से उस seed को अंदर soil में दबाया, and the seed went in the soil fully. And then after that he had lunch, and he just went to play the cricket. Okay, with his friends he just went to play cricket, and he just forgot about that cherry seed and all. मतलब वो वहाँ पे प्लांट करा वो सब के बारे में भूल गया था, and he just went to play cricket with his friends.